Hi, my name's Maddie, and today I'm going to show you some really cute, super simple hairstyles with the new pink pewter scrunchies. They're super silky, super soft. They go with any outfit. We have them in multiple colors. So the first one that I'm going to start with is just a super simple side ponytail. Just take your hair and drag it to the side. Make sure you keep that part so it doesn't get all wonky. We're going to just collect all the hair and just wrap it. Twice, 3 times, as many as you need for as thick or thin your hair is. Maybe pull out some hair. And how super simple and easy is that? A really cute side pony. So the next one, we're gonna do a super simple half up, half down. You can either drag your hair, put it into a bun, or you could just leave it all out. So you just take the hair from both sides, drag it up, split the sections into 2 parts. Make sure the top of your head's super smooth, and then just pull it up, just like that. Super simple, super easy. You can move it to how you want it, especially if you have curly hair. Be a little messy. Pull out some hair from the front. Makes it super cute, super simple, super easy. So that's the second one. So now we're gonna do a third one, and this one, all you have to do is just flip over, make sure the back is super smooth, collect all your hair in the bottom first, and just swing it up. Keep going. Make it super smooth, super sleek. And just right into a bun. Pull out some pieces, fluff it out a bit. Super awesome, super nice. Take out some pieces of hair, make it look like it was easy. It was easy. And that's it. Those are 3 super simple, super easy hairstyles with these brand new scrunchies. Get yours today.